The unboxing video of these pencils has not been uploaded as yet because there's things in there that I do not want to reveal as yet. I did buy these pencils from Temu and also the blending tool.
Arts Workfly.
Okay guys, these are the pencils. They are called BOWITE Ketching Pencils. That's with a Ketching pencil. 16 sketching pencils. The colors of the pencils are green, gold and black. It goes from 6H to 8B. So you have 6H, 5H, 4, 3, 2 and H, HB, F, B, 2B, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8B. So right here I'm just playing around with them just to feel the art supplies because I love art supplies. So I am gonna pull one out of the batch. I believe it's a B pencil, so I'm gonna use the B pencil and just test it to see if it works well. Does it shade well? How soft is it? How hard it is? So I'm just gonna test it out on this paper here. This pencil being the B pencil, it shades really dark. You can get a variety of tones or values from this. So watch it moves from dark to light gradually. And I must add that the B pencil was very hard comparing to the 8B pencil. So yes, I believe these pencils are good quality thus far. But of course, the real test is testing it on a professional drawing and see how long it holds up. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it using the blending pencil or the blending tool just to see if it blends very well. As you can see here, it blends very well. And that is how the tool is, the blending tool. And there it goes, blending well again. So I'm touching it just to see how much of the graphite came off on my finger, and it was not much, so therefore it is not bad. So if you should use a fixative on it, it probably will be well sealed, but I guess you would have to test it by doing your own artwork and seal it with a fixative and just see what happens. But I do recommend buying this product from Temu. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.